video. You are watching Phones on Touch here with me, Kashman. Today we are going to talk about Nokia 1600. Yes, today we are going to talk about Nokia 1600. So दोस्तों की बात करें या फिर बात करें 1600 की, we can say that this was a good variant out there back when it was released. Yes, back then when it was released, it was a good variant because early 2000 had a similar kind of phones out there. They had the same kind of variants out there. We can say this was a good variant out there. But when we talk about these kind of variants, they were slightly heavy looking phones and were quite big, or we can say they had a very the dimensions were quite different out there. We can, in short, we can say that because these phones used to look very different kind of phones back then because of the looks and the small display out there. We can say these were not very uh, liked, but due to the great capacity, we can say, or due to the high kind of non-breakable things, like they were not easily breakable. So this was the advantage by Nokia's B series. These kind of phones was so much liked by the people because they used to just invest once in these phones and they can definitely own all other phones out there, and other phones might break easily, but these phones were having a great quality that they do not easily break down. So continuing with this, we would like to add to that that these were less than 90 grams weighted phones out there with a mini SIM. But the display it uses out there was CSTN type display. These kind of display were used for the monochromatic type of display and for very tiny out there. We can say these were a very basic and a very old version display out there, but we can still use it, but these might be used for only and only products which have a tiny screen, very tiny phones out there. Talking about the tininess, it has got a screen size of 1.4 inches. Along with that, you will get to 365 key colorization. I would like to add to that these phones had a four-way key scroll. Yes, upwards, downwards, sidewards. It can move. Though this kind of key phone could be seen on this. Talking about these variants, it has got no expandability, which was a major drawback to this because having a storage capacity of 4 MB and no expandability was a major drawback. Talking about the drawbacks only, it had another drawback, which was that it had only 200 entries. Yes, it could only have 200 entries out there. Having no camera was also a major drawback, but early 2000 had no camera phones in the Nokia, so it could be considered an okay variant back then. Having a good loudspeaker was a wonderful feature, but the most amazing features were the vibration out there, the sound quality, and the loudspeakers out there. That were the amazing things out there. But it did not go well with the people who like to have a 3.5 jack because it does not offer you 3.5 jack, so no radio connectivity was there. As well as you will also not see that these kind of variants had any kind of connectivities like WAN connectivity, Bluetooth, hotspot, GPS, no kind of connectivity was seen. But you can definitely check out that these have a good kind of we can say documentation was there. It had a voice memo. So all the kind of things we say required to have a secondary phone or are required to watch in a tiny phone, they all specifications could be seen out there. But talking about the battery life, it was an okay variant out back then and today also because having a battery life of 900 mAh and offering 5 to 6 hours talk time is a okay variant, not a very good variant. because 5 से 6 घंटे की टॉक टाइम मिल रहा है तो अच्छी बात कही जा सकती है. एज वेल एज 900 mAh की बैटरी भी देखने को मिल रही है, तो दिस कुड आल्सो बी कंसीडर्ड as a good variant. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is offered on very limited size because since it was a 2000 early model out there, early 2000s model, so we can say these are available on very limited size. One such site is available with us, which offers a great pricing, a pocketable price for this. Talking about the site name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is PhoneZone.ae. All you have to do is go on Google and type this, or you can also go on the website description link. We have the link out there. Description has the link out there, and you can also type there. You can see the link, and you will land up here. Talking about this site, It offers you n number of brands in these categories. Yes. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am searching 1600. Talking about this variant, we can definitely check out this variant and how it works and how is the condition of this variant too. Talking about the results, we have got the results out here, so we are going to check what are the results. And talking about the results, we have a description box, and on the description box we can see all the specifications are written out there. So Nokia 1600 description box is out with us. As well as we get to see there is a condition written over this, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this condition and know what is refurbished condition, how it works, and what are the differences between the refurbished condition and the brand new condition. So let us talk about them also. And then we will see what are the pricing and the site about it. Talking about refurbished product or talking about brand new product, we can say that these two products are quite similar. Like yes, the products are quite similar. When we talk about refurbished and brand new, refurbished itself means creating something new. Like yes, creating something new like is the exact meaning or the exact definition we can say of refurbished. Whereas brand new is absolutely brand new, untouched out there. What is the major difference between a brand new and a refurbished product? We can say that brand new products are usually a line chain of like company, uh, the mediator, whosoever is selling or is representing that brand out there in the market, and then the users. Whereas if we talk about refurbished products, then we can say that these are like company, the mediators out there who are representing it, user, the consumer, customer, everyone out there, we can declare them as a user. Then again, when they get, they want to resell it, they resell it, and then it is again by the company. Now the company is the agency, or we can say a site out there, which usually test the product out there. It takes the products out there which are pre-owned. Yes, pre-owned are tested out there, and then again a new customer have this brand new kind of a phone. Yes, a new like phone they have. When we say these kind of phones, they are pre-owned and have been used once, but the major difference lies out here is that these pre-owned or the used products are tested, verified, are given certificates, are testimonialized, where these products do get an certificate that they are absolutely new, like they are ready to use, you can reuse them, and they will be definitely same as they were before. So this is what happens in refurbished and brand new, major difference. Now what are the similarities? If we talk about the similarities, then we can say there are similarities in the testing sites or in the certification sites or the certificates given to them or anything we would like to say. Talking about that, we can say that these sites do offer you a great variety or a great range of certifications, which include like the external factors and the internal factors. Talking about the external factors, these might include the display, the camera, audio, video, your battery, your charging capacity, your battery life, whether it's how kind of battery it is, whether it's swelling or not, whether it's the original battery used in it or not, everything out there it has been checked. The scratches out there on the box or the device out there, the handset we have, everything out there has been to be checked and is checked. Once they are checked out, they are moved. The external factors are checked out. We can say that given a certification for the external factors certification, they are absolutely good in quality. Then they come to the internal factors which require a specified test, like the connections require a specified test. Each connection requires a different test. Like Wi-Fi requires another test, WAN requires another test, Bluetooth hotspot requires another test, GPS, infrared ports require another kind of test. So these kind of tests require different strategies. Moving to them, there comes the internal factors like operating system, processor, GPU, CPU out there, the internal parts, the resistance capacity, SIM recognition out there, colorization, the screening, the touch, how is it working, everything out there has to be checked. So when every factor, every specification is checked, Around 29 parameters are there which check these specifications. When they are checked out, they are given a certificate that these are absolutely ready to use. They are 100% good in quality, they can be reused, and are given a certificate that is refurbished certificate. Now, talking about these products, they have to be a good in quality. Why? Because it does not only represent a brand, it represents an entire process used out in it. Yes, it requires entire process out there. So you get to have lot of good quality, lot of good things about them. You get to have lot of things about it. And the similarities is this only, that they have the same certifications out there. Otherwise, there are few benefits over refurbished products. Yes, there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new products. And moving on the benefits, let me tell you, number one benefit is that you get to save up to 15%. Yes, you get to have a savings up to 15%. When we talk about savings, we all love it. We all love to save money. We all love to have savings because we can do a lot of things with that. Anything we would like to do. Talking about the savings, we can say that brand new products are slightly expensive as compared to refurbished. So they need to be saved. So we can save a good amount of savings out there. Now, talking about another factor, coming to that only, I would like to add to this saving point is the pocketable rate. Since brand new products are slightly expensive, we save up to 15%. But how we save? Because the refurbished products, they are actually quite pocketable. They are much less expensive as compared to them. They are not that much expensive out there. So these can be considered like that way. Yes, they are less expensive out there. They do not have much of the expenses. They do not cost that much. Now, costing does not happens to be much then. The warranty period of brand new we already know is 1 year, but the refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 6 months warranty is definitely is offered you when you have a brand and a condition called refurbished. We can say that usually when we buy any pre-owned phone, the conditions are like you do not get any warranty period, you have no other documentations, nothing you get out there. But here you get 6 months warranty if the condition is written refurbished. Whereas you also get to have, if you shop from the sites, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy out there. So definitely it could be considered as an advantage out there, because usually owning the pre-owned phones out there reduces the chances of good quality and everything out there. So you definitely take a risk. When we take a risk, it happens that we usually do have a policy out there, or we tend to have a site which offers you a policy where you can exchange your goods out there if they are not in good condition. So definitely it offers you such kind of a website is offering you this kind of a policy. Now, talking about this site, I would like to introduce you to the website which is phonezone.ae. I'm again introducing you to the website. This is phonezone.ae. We have already talked about this website. We have seen all the gadgets out there, our favorite models out there. This site offers you not just one brand, but all the brands under the category of all mobile phones, which we have already discussed. But I would like to add to it that yes, this site offers you all the features which I have talked about. These offers you pocketable rates of your favorite gadgets. That's why you can save up to 15%, as well as they are offering you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. Apart from this, 100% original products could be seen. That's why I said that you can definitely check out this website. This website not only offers you COD but free shipping also. Yes, offering free shipping definitely helps out a lot of people because that definitely gives a surety. And COD also helps you to have a confidence that it will be delivered within a very short span of time. Talking about the short span of time, I could say this site promises to deliver within most parts of UAE, in most of the parts of UAE, that it can deliver up to 48 hours. Yes, within 48 hours, it will deliver within your doorsteps. As well as in Dubai, it might take up to a week, but in most of the parts, in most of the UAE parts, it will deliver within 48 hours along with free shipping and COD. For more updates, you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets. Or if you want to know about your favorite model, you can call on the helpline number. It's the description box has a link. You can definitely check out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.